Research shows that tutoring is one of the most effective ways to help students accelerate learning. But delivering high-quality tutoring in a way that scales with your district's needs can be challenging. TutorKit is an all-in-one solution that makes it easy to assemble, administer, and assess your one-on-one and small group tutoring programs. Students can quickly find and join interactive live video tutoring support, including targeted warm-up resources to help them catch up and get ahead. You can count on TutorKit to capture the relevant program data as well as feedback from tutors and students, which helps you measure the impact on student success and communicate effectively with stakeholders. And with TutorKit's built-in calendar sync, you can let us handle tedious tasks like scheduling and session reminders. TutorKit integrates with your district's preferred video conferencing application and follows industry-standard privacy and security practices. We know you're busy, so of course, everything in TutorKit is accessible on your mobile device. You already have all the pieces you need to change your students' stories. TutorKit can help you put them all together.